Wildlife Techniques is a sophomore level class with the goal of giving our students hands-on experience for techniques that they're going to be using in their future careers. So we do things like navigation with compasses, squirrel handling and trapping, vegetation sampling.
For me, this is one of the first courses where I'm really starting to look at the day-to-day of what wildlife ecologists would actually be doing out in the field.
One of the advantages to this course here at UD is that we have a place to work outside in the woodlot so close to campus.
Most of my classes are outside. I'm in the woods. I'm using my hands and my mind to observe the world around me and understand it more. Not only is it important to learn this knowledge and have it for long-term use, but to be able to apply that knowledge and to be able to use it out in the field when somebody isn't going to just be able to tell you how things work.